the vlog at nandito kami ngayon sa Dubai Harbor Yacht Club. So, i-experience namin yung sunset sunset tour. So, 5 o'clock yung aming schedule. Inaantay na lang namin na kompleto kami. So, ito na yung yacht. Siguro dyan kami sasakay. Mag-start na kami, tinawag na kami nung tour guide. Follow? Which one? Straight? Ano? Straight? Just say what number? Nag-start na kami. Ito na yung driver na. Ano kami siya? Niya yun? Chuper. Nag-start na 5 o'clock. Cheap. We're going back to the port. Amazing. Yeah.
Cargo Speed Dubai.
Guys, nandito kami sa Cheesecake Factory in Jumeirah Beach Road. Ito yung favorite kong restaurant. So guys, na yung order namin. Chicken Madeira and carbonara. Adam's cheese. Hi guys, good morning. So this is our day 3 in Dubai, and for today we're going to the view. So ito yung labi pala ng pinagstayan namin. Diba? Masyado maganda. So yung view naman na yun, yung The Palm, eh kita rin naman siya sa pinagstayan namin. Pero gusto lang namin ng closer view. Taxi na kami. Ano ba ito? Barangay nila. Mali pala yung pinuntahan namin, hindi pala dun. Doon kasi kami binaba ng taxi driver. So, lilipat kami ngayon ng, pero sa likod lang naman siya sa kabilang part. So, sabi nung kasama ko, puro lang daw kayo introduction. So, pupunta na tayo sa tamang building. So, dito po yun. Main entrance. Ay, ano mo? Tabilok pa. Ayun, Nakheel Mall. Okay. Ayun, in the view. pala, akit pala kami. Ito yung pupuntahan namin. Para makita itong view na ito. So, lalabas ka dito. Tapos parang iba yung entrance niya. So, ito yung ticket section.
The next one, please.
So, pagdating nyo, meron kayong picture. Ayan, wow! May mahabang queue dito. So, ito na yung parang may pa-games sila.
The outer break wall. The break wall stretches 5.3 kilometers east to west. Protects the inner elements.
So, ito na yung part na may participation yung mga
forward po doon. Kahit malayo.
yung mga tourist.
Inside water depth is 20 meters, while outside of the break.
Whenever you see footprints on the floor, just step on it. Anyone can step one by one.
Okay. So, I think ito yung video kung saan napakita paano nabuo yung...
Thank you, ma'am. Next, please.
7 million tons of rock was used as the foundations.
Galing, eh? Tapos sand.
120 million tons of sand was brought from the ocean to build the 17 fronds in the shape of a palm.
We are shaping roads, building bridges to connect the island with the water.
Napakakal.
Thank you. Anyone, please?
Tandok siguro.
1,500 villas, 2,500 apartments, with over 78,000 people who live on the Palm. Over 1 million tourists and residents visit the Palm each year. The Palm is home to 27 hotels, including
Ayan
the
sila.
stunning Atlantis The Palm.
Tapos pa sa...
Tourist destinations such as the view at the Palm,
We are in the center of the island with a 360-degree view.
Nakheel Marinas,
We have two Nakheel Marina, east and west. Next, please.
Lashan Chess.
The Palm is connected to Dubai with a 300-meter bridge. This bridge transports over 100,000 cars daily. That is over 1 billion cars a year. The Palm monorail runs the length of the Palm, featured with 5 stations connecting key destinations.
This is the Royal Atlantis Hotel, the newest and biggest open destination.
Ayun yung kay Bronson.
And this is the fireworks during the opening in 2006.
The Palm opened in 2006 with a spectacular fireworks display.
على الشاطئ وانا كنت احاول ان اقصد البحر وكانوا يضحكون والان كثيرا ما اصطحب الى مشروع الاخراج المبالغ في البحر. دعونا نتحاور ونفكر في المستقبل ليكون لدينا جميعا رؤيه واضحه. فدعونا نخوض معا معركه التنميه ونذل لضحايانا الفقر والجهل والتخلف.
paano nagawa yung the palm. Ano meron dito? Ayun na yun? Tapos na? Ito yung regulator nilang galing. Ah, ito yung hindi may kita. Ah, yeah. Oh. So, ito na siya. Grabe. Hindi ko nakakalaw lang. Kanya-kanya picture niya yung mga tao. Ang daming tao. Saan ang gitna? Ah, this is the center.
Jala 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 one Korea City.
Meron din coffee shop. Perform Beyonce.
Would you done?
Grabe yung zoom ng Apple. Daming tao. So guys, palabas na uli kami ng Nakheel Mall. Tapos na yung tour namin dun sa The View. So, punta kami ng Dubai Mall. After namin magpunta ng The View, dito na kami dumiretso, nag-taxi na lang kami. So, ito yung downtown Dubai. So, yung mga parang walk-off fame. Sino yung fake pa dito? So, pupunta na kami dito sa Souk Al-Bahar.
Dito ba ang magandang spot?
Oo, yun. Yan. So we're here inside the Souk Al-Bahar. Uy, this is so ito yung toilet ng Dubai Mall. Grabe. Toilet. Diba, naghati lang kami. So siya naman ako. Galing na kami doon kaso kailangan daw i-print yung QR code. Kaya pipila ulit kami dito. Another pila para lang makuha yung printed na copy. So yun, sayang yung 10 minutes.
Nagawa.
Ikke? Det er litt far for meg.
Ano tayo?
Walk first, then come back for the slide here.
Glass walk muna. And then, itong queue na to is for the slide. Pero nag-Burj Khalifa po. At least kita mo pa yung Burj Khalifa.
Sa Gibraltar.
Grabe. Kahit may salamin siya, nakakatakot pa rin. Scary. Nalulula ako.
Uy, maganda yung ganyan effect.
For the...
Just wait for one, please.
Do not carry. Bawal na yung phone kapag nag-iis ka. Kailangan nakahawak ka kasi.
Pero okay lang din doon kasi yung view pagbaba.
Ito,
Ito yung chicken jollibee. Ano yung rice nila?
Yung pagkain sa Pinoy pa rin.
Ito, international naman ang food ng